Hello, and welcome to Smartintervu. In today's video, we'll demo how to use Smartintervu's ATS integration to streamline your recruitment process. After you log into your recruiter account, start by creating your first campaign. In the Create a Campaign section, just click Import an existing job from your ATS. This will automatically set up your job details and create your campaign. Once your campaign is created, it's time to engage with candidates. For campaigns imported from your ATS, we automatically fetch all job applications, saving you valuable time. You can directly navigate to the Applications tab on the Campaign Details page, where you'll find all the job applications with an AI-generated suitability score. Unlike conventional ATS screening, we use advanced language models to analyze resumes in the context of job descriptions provided and make predictions of candidates' aptitude and job relevancy based on their experiences, projects, education, skills, and other achievements. To better understand the candidate's relevancy, you also get the feature for Resume Analysis Report. These reports highlight the candidate's strengths, weaknesses, and other key points identified by AI and are used for predicting the suitability scores. The AI also generates a confidence score for itself, depicting its confidence about the decision it has made. Also, you can easily refine your search with filters to pinpoint the most promising candidates. And based on the above identifiers, you can now easily select and contact candidates that fit your requirements. You could also take advantage of our fully automated AI-based interviews. Gain invaluable insights into candidates' potential before committing your company's resources for manual interviews. And we'll discuss about these AI interviews in our next video. Hope you find Smartintervu helpful.